right, talk about your role in the film The Man in 3B.
So I play Crystal, and Crystal doesn't take no for an answer. She likes what she likes, even if it causes a little trouble. That's all I'm going to say, because I don't want to give too much away. But she's fun, and she's fierce, and she's sexy, and she gets what she wants.
Okay. So how was it like working on One Life to Live, soap opera? Wow,
that was truly a dream come true. I'd always wanted to start my career with a soap opera, and God truly blessed me with that. And it shot here in New York. It was one of my first gigs, and I was like so amazed when I booked it. So One Life to Live was a great training ground for me. We had to shoot a script a day, so my muscle, I built up a good muscle for reading scripts and learning lines and understanding characters. So soap operas are great.
How do you explain like the TV landscape now? Because there's no soap operas on TV now.
Yeah, actually, it got canceled as I was on the show, and that's what moved me to LA. So, soap operas were great, and I think it's the end of an era. But I recommend them for actors to go out for them. There still are a few left. There's some out in LA. We got Days of Our Lives. We still got a few left that are shooting out there. So the era is dying. However, it's an amazing experience if you can watch a soap opera. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. Thank you.